Give it a one click. So now we are at the second level of noise reduction. So now you can see that my voice is getting echoed. So this is the reverberation mode of this mic. So now you can see that we are standing on the streets and you can hear the background noise of the vehicle which is just running on the road. So now we will on the noise cancellation mode and see that what type of noise cancellation it is providing. So I will give it a one click. Now you can see that the background noise of the vehicles which is just running around the road has been removed. So now we will go to the reverberation mode, and for the reverberation mode we have to click this switch mode button for 3 times. So we will just give it a 3 click, 1, 2, 3. This is the quality of sound you are going to get with this mic, and now we will go to the normal mode which is the noise reduction mode, and we will off the reverberation mode. So just give it here a 3 click once again and the reverberation mode will be off. So 1, 2, 3. So now we are in the normal mode of noise reduction mode. So this is the quality which I want to show, and now we will test the P11 mic of Grenaro. So now we are going to switch on the noise reduction mode to see that what type of quality it is giving. Just give a one click here to get to the noise reduction mode. So this is the first level of noise reduction. You can see that this mic is having 3 levels of noise reduction. So now we will go to the second level of noise reduction. Click it once again. So now we are on the second level of noise reduction. Now we will again press this button to get to the last level of noise reduction. That is the third level of noise reduction. Okay. So by clicking it again, we got to the last level of noise reduction, and you can clearly see that the background noise has now got removed. So this is the quality which you are going to get with this mic. And now we will go to the reverberation mode. So for reverberation mode, you have to just click this button for 3 times instantly. Don't give a long press. So 1, 2, 3. So now we are on the reverberation mode. So now we will go to the noise reduction mode again, and we will off the reverberation mode. So give it a 3 click here to just off the reverberation mode. So 1, 2, 3. So now the reverberation mode is off and we are on the noise reduction mode. So this is the quality which you are going to get with this mic. So now as you can see that now we are just near to the streets, and the background noise which you are hearing of the vehicle just running on the road, it will be removed soon when we will just go to the noise cancellation mode. So just give a one click here to get to the noise cancellation mode. See, so now we are in the noise cancellation mode, and you can see that up to how much extent it is just decreasing the noise. So this is the quality which you are going to get with this mic. And now we will go to the reverberation mode. So for the reverberation mode, you have to click this switch mode button 3 times. So give it a 3 click instantly, don't press it for long. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the reverberation mode which you are hearing, and my voice must be echoing here and there. Okay. So this is the quality of reverberation you will get with this mic. So now we are going to switch off this reverberation mode, and now we will go to the noise cancellation mode. So for switching off this reverberation mode, just click on this switch mode button 3 times again. So 1, 2, 3. So our reverberation mode is off and the noise cancellation mode is still on. So this is the quality you are going to get with this mic. So I think that a sufficient level of noise has been reduced by this mic. Now we will check the Grenaro P11 mic, that how much noise it is reducing. So the sound which you are hearing now is from the Grenaro P11 mic. So you can also hear the background noise of the vehicles which is running on the streets. So now we will on the noise cancellation mode, and we will see up to how much extent it is reducing the noise. So just give a one click to the switch mode button to get to the level 1 of the noise reduction, as this mic is having 3 levels of noise reduction. So give here a one click. So now we are at the level 1 of the noise reduction. So you can see that up to how much extent it is reducing the noise. Now we will go to the level 2nd of the noise reduction. Just click here again the switch mode button. So now we are at the 2nd level of noise reduction mode, and you can clearly see the quality of the voice. And now we will go to the last and the 3rd level of noise reduction. So click here again. So now we are at the 3rd level and the last level of the noise reduction mode. So now you can see that a significant reduction in the background noise has been done. So this is the quality which you are going to get with this P11 mic. And now we are going to the reverberation mode. So 1, 2, 3. So now we are at the reverberation mode, and you can see that my voice is getting echoed. So this is the quality which you are going to get with this mic. And you can also see that there is a heavy noise behind me, and you can judge what type of noise it is reducing. And now we are going to off this reverberation mode, and we will go to the noise cancellation mode again. See, our noise cancellation mode is still on. So give it here a 3 click, give an instant click, don't press it for a long time. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that we are at the noise cancellation mode again. So if you like this mic or the mic which I have shown you earlier, the link is in the description, you can buy it from there. Now you can see that we are on the streets and the noise of the vehicle running around the road, you can clearly hear the sound of that. And we have with us the Grenaro 3-in-1 mic. And now the noise reduction mode is not on, the mic is in the normal mode. And so now we will on the noise reduction mode and see what type of noise it is reducing. So give here a 1 click to the switch mode button. So now you can see that the noise of the vehicles moving around the road have been removed successfully. I'm not saying that all the noise has got removed, but up to some extent you can see the clarity of my voice. So this is the quality which you are going to get with this mic. Now we will go to the reverberation mode of this mic. So just give the 3 click to the switch mode button. So 1, 2, 3. So now we are in the reverberation mode and you can see my voice is being echoed. So these are the qualities which you are going to get with this mic. And now we will move to the normal mode of noise reduction. So just off the reverberation mode by just giving again a 3 click here. So 1, 2, 3. So now you can see that the reverberation mode is off and you are getting the clear voice of mine. So the mic is at the noise reduction mode. So the testing of the Grenaro 3-in-1 mic is over and now we will go to the Grenaro P11 mic. So now we are going to test the Grenaro P11 mic. The voice which you are hearing now, it is from the normal mic and we have not on the noise reduction mode. So now we will on the noise reduction mode to see what type of noise it is reducing. So just give it a 1 click here and we will reduce the noise. So it is having 3 levels of noise reduction as we know that. So now we are at the first level. Now we will go to the second level of noise reduction. So press it again. So now we are at the second level of noise reduction and you can see that what type of noise it is reducing. So now we will go to the last level and third level of the noise reduction mode. So click it again. So this is the third level of the noise reduction mode and you can see that the background noise of the vehicles that is moving on the road has been removed. I'm not saying that all the noise has got removed, but I can say that the significant level of noise reduction in it is very sufficient to make a vlog on the streets. Now we will go to the reverberation mode. For reverberation mode, you have to click this button 3 times immediately. Don't give it a long press. So 1, 2, 3. So now you can see that my voice is getting echoed. This is the quality which you are going to get in the reverb mode of this mic. So the testing of this mic has been done and now we will go to the normal noise reduction mode. So click here 3 times again. So 1, 2, 3. So now we are at the noise reduction mode and this is the quality you are going to get with this mic. So if you like any of the mic which is shown in this video, the link is in the description, you can buy it from there. So now you can see that the P11 mic of Grenaro is with us and a lot of noise has been created in the background. So now we are going to check what type of voice it is giving. So now we will just turn on the mode of noise cancellation and see is it going to reduce the noise or not. So just click the switch mode button for one time and we are on the level 1 of noise reduction. It is having the 3 levels as I told you earlier. So now we will go to the second level of noise reduction. So we will click it again and now we are on the second level of noise reduction. So you can see that up to what extent it is reducing the noise and now we will go to the third level of noise reduction. So click here once again. So now we are at the last level, that is the third level of noise reduction and you can see that what type of quality of sound it is giving. So this is the quality which you are going to get with this mic. So for this video, this is it. If you want to buy any of the mics which is shown in the video, either the first mic or this mic, you can buy it by the link in the description. So now we have the Grenaro 3-in-1 mic with us and you can clearly hear the background noise which is just behind me, and now we are going to on the noise cancellation mode and see that up to how much extent it is going to reduce the noise. So just give here a 1 click to the switch mode button and the noise reduction mode is on. Now you can see that a significant level of noise reduction has been done. I'm not saying that it is going to remove all the noise, but a significant level of noise reduction has been done. This is the quality which you are going to get with this mic. So now we will go to the reverberation mode. For the reverberation mode, as I have told you, you have to click this switch mode button 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see that my voice is getting echoed. So this is the reverberation mode of this mic. So now we will switch off the reverberation mode and we will go to the noise reduction mode again. again. So just click here for 3 times again and the reverberation mode will be off. So 1, 2, 3. So you must be getting the normal voice of mine. Now we are at the noise reduction level. We have switched off the reverberation mode. So this is the quality which you are going to get with this mic.